Alright, attempt number 2 at recording the Holy Grail Bred kill hoodie on my way to work. Yeah. Anyways, opened most of it. Now we just gotta use the key to open the rest of it. What's that? Don't even care about the box. Besides, I'm glad that it survived. Well, it can still be used, I think. Oh, just being funny. Okay, here we go. A moment of truth. If I can open this side. There we go. Ready down. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, full of dog hair.
Let's go.
Maybe you should just keep it folded like that when we put it in. You know what I mean? Instead of hanging it.
It's real
Are
Bred.
you gonna take it out?
I got it. I'm so curious about the hand. I have to. The hand. I gotta know. Sure smells like him.
How do you know what he smells like?
Because it smells and it smells like a person.
Smells like a person. Gotta air it out. Did you take that thing out of the thing that you were hanging?
What?
Outside? Put up that giant on it?
Dang, there was one big giant crack.
Oh my god, look at that giant crack right there and there.
Where's my phone?
See that? See that one there and there and there?
I knew this was a big crack, but
Where?
it's fine.
Where? I didn't see it.
Check it out, guys.
Well, this is the kind of thing you, how many people don't even know? You do, but where's the giant crack?
Right here. A single line. You can see a single line all throughout. A single line, Dan. It's okay. It looks beautiful, regardless. Thank you for watching.